Now we are having a straight line passing through 3 comma 4 and 2 comma minus 1, and we have to find the equation of that straight line. Okay. Now let the equation in general form be ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Number 1. Now since it passes through three comma 4, equation 1 reduces to 3a plus 4b plus c is equal to 0. Equation 2. Again, since it passes through two comma negative of 1, equation 1 reduces to, now it passes from 2 minus 1. So, 2a minus b plus c is equal to 0. Now, subtracting 3 from 2, a plus 5b is equal to 0 and a is equal to negative of 5. Substituting a is equal to minus 5b in equation 2, we get c is equal to 11b. Putting value of a is equal to minus 5b and c is equal to 11b in equation 1, we get, means a very simple thing. Okay. Then what we are getting now? Negative of 5bx positive of by plus 11b is equal to 0. Or to this, now we can write it negative of 5x plus y plus 11 is equal to 0. We have taken b common, which is not equal to 0. Okay. So, required equation is y is equal to 5x minus 11. Answer.